Hello, POB Cardinals. My name is Miss Wall, and I'm the advisor of Barry SPITS. I hope that you have enjoyed our recital. You saw members from the club, and you also saw members from my creative writing class. Thank you so much for joining us. I wanted to make a quick announcement. In the near future, Barry Spitz is soon going to merge with my creative writing class in order to produce a literary magazine for POB. The title of that magazine is The Cardinal Quill. Right now, that magazine will feature poetry and short stories and art from POB students in our art class and in that class, and soon we'll be able to extend it to everyone at the school for entries. I would also like to take this time to recognize our members, Jessica Casilla Ramos, Victor Chin, Isis Kerlock, Andrea Lopez Cardenas, Kimberly Battle, Cassidy Zollinger, Tony Tia, and Jamaica Miller. I would also like to take this time to also say to my seniors that I have bestowed some cords to you. The red and black symbolize our club colors, and the royal blue symbolizes honor and your great abilities to write. Hopefully you will enjoy those, ladies. That goes to Jamaica, Tony, and Andrea. I would also like to take this time to thank Tony Tia and Jamaica Miller. These two ladies were with me from the beginning of the group, its inception in 2017. They worked hard over the past 4 years to make this group grow and expand. And I'd like to just say thank you, ladies, very much for all of your hard work, dedication, and your fierceness. You have such talent in written word and spoken word, so I can't wait to see what your future holds. And finally, because she has been president for the past 4 years and because she has been juggling so much with school and commuting back and forth at CPCC, but also in just basically keeping the club organized and running and hosting these meetings and coming to every one. Jamaica, I am dedicating the Cardinal Quill's first issue to you. Thank you so much for everything. I'm glad you all were able to hear our recital. And the next voice that you'll hear is Miss Jamaica Miller.